How to transfer money from PayPal to Cash App. Before we tap anything, there's one quick thing you have to do. Just make sure your exact same bank account is connected to both your PayPal and your Cash App. If you've already got that set up, you are completely ready to go. First, let's pull up the PayPal app. Right under your main balance on the top left, you'll see a little link that says Transfer. Go ahead and tap that. A menu will pop up from the bottom of your screen. Look for the very first option that says Transfer to Bank and select it. Now, type in the exact amount you want to move over. For this example, I'm going to type in $350. Next up, PayPal will ask how fast you want it. You can pay a tiny fee to get it in minutes, but for this tutorial, we're going to select in 1 to 3 days because it's completely free. Once you pick that, hit the big blue transfer button at the bottom and then just tap Done. Awesome. Now that the money is headed to your bank, let's jump right over to Cash App to pull it into your account. On your main screen, look right under your cash balance and tap the button that says Add Cash. Instead of hitting one of the quick preset amounts on the screen, go ahead and tap the little 3 dots icon at the bottom right of the grid. This lets us type in our own custom amount. Type in that same $350 we sent from PayPal and then hit that bright green Add button down at the bottom. And that is literally it. Tap Done on the confirmation screen and your balance is updated. Now, if you ever need to do this exact process in reverse, click right here to watch my step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Cash App back to PayPal. See you there.